Hey guys, welcome back to Mom and Twin Boys channel. So in this video this evening I'll be installing a short curly bob wig. I've had this wig for quite some time. I've only worn it once and I washed it and put it down and I never wore it back because I did a bad cut on the lace. There was it cut really bad and I was disappointed. I wore it when I went home a couple of years ago and I just wash it and put it up. It has 3 clips inside and the hair is nice, the curls are nice, but the only problem I have with this wig does not have any, you cannot make a part with it. But let's see how I will be able to install this wig now with my natural hair. As I said before, my hair has been tender for some reason, but this evening I'm going to try and put at least 4 cornrows in there. So here, as you can see, I am brushing my hair, trying to get it comb out because it's been one in for a couple days and it's been in one for a couple days and it need to comb out. It really need to comb out. So guys, oh, you see that? It knot up really bad. You see the face? Knot right up. And as I said before, my scalp is so tender for some reason. My scalp just tender all of a sudden and I've never had this experience. Never. So let's comb out this ear, get it cornrow down in the back and install this wig. So in this bottle is some water, so I'm going to spray my hair. Oh lord, it get in my face. Okay, so I'm going to spray the hair with the water and try and see if I can get it combed out to my desire. Because when I said this ear was not up, it was really not up, really not up. So just watch me comb this hair out. Now I am through with braiding my hair down. This is how the back looks. It will be under a wig, so it doesn't matter how it parts and look, but I am through. And now I'm going to go ahead with my Got To Be spray. I've had this Got To Be spray from the first time I got that wig and wasn't using it, so here I go with my Got To Be, and I'm going to spray it on my forehead. Oh, I'm spraying it on my hair here, and then brush in the edges. And then when I brush in the edges, I will be putting on a stocking cap. And after that, I think I'll just spray it on the perimeter of my forehead to let it dry. I think I do that around 3 or 4 sprays. Now I'm through with putting on my stocking cap, and now watch me ready to install. I'm ready to install my wig, my curly bob wig. Here I have my blow dryer, and I think I'll be using getting the Got To Be spray to spray on my forehead. I think that's what I'm getting. Okay, there I go. It feels so cold on my forehead. I haven't used this in such a long time. But there I am installing. So just continue enjoying the video. Oh, right here, why I was so afraid of the blow dryer, when I plugged it in and then turn it on cool, I heard something going like click, 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 like something was inside there. So I was checking if something inside there. I was checking if something went inside, and I did not know. So I said, boy, I don't know why it's making this clicking sound. So I'm going to keep it far away from my head. So if it should explode, on me, I'll throw it out my hand, because I was so afraid. I don't know why it was making that clicking sound. It started make the clicking sound and then it stopped after a while. So there I went again in spraying on the perimeter of my forehead. That's the second spray right there. Just continue watching the video, guys. My face looks so scary. Okay, another spray. Blow again. Look at the face. Look at the face. Here's the wig and my elastic band. So I'm going to put that on over and make sure that the clips are secure under my cornrows. Now the wig cap is secure on my head. Now I'm going to put a little more Got To Be spray on top and do what you know those wig girlies do over here on YouTube. I have tried my best, but it did stick. But because of how badly that lace cut, it was lifting after a while. But guess what? I'm practicing. So there I go, trying, to get this spray on the edge, and it was sticking. It stick down, it was down. But you see that edge there, it was hard to get it down because, as I said before, it cut really bad. So there was literally nothing, not a lot of lace there. Now you see I apply my band, my elastic band, to my hair, and as I said before, I was trying to put in a little part to see if I could give myself a little side part. But as I said, you see like all those other wigs that they are making now, it has scalp. It shows like a little scalp. This don't have no scalp at all, none at all. But I was trying to make a part to say, I would try a side part, and then I get my hot comb and and my wax stick to blend it, comb it down, hot comb it down to see if I could get a nice little side part. But that wasn't working, so I had to just comb it backwards and do my thing. It just wasn't working out for me, but just keep on watching, guys. Now, so here I'm applying my wax stick to the edges, and I'm going to get a couple little burns from this hot coat, using this hot coat, guys. It's my first time using it, so the wax stick smells really good. Is it that it burned me, and then I turn it up, I turn it up. I just turn it right back down because it's really hot. It has 3 levels and I put it at 3. I just put it right back to 1. I was so scared. I was like saying to myself, hey, so this is what the girl is be going through. The wig girl is be going through with this hot comb. Just take the time. But this is the only way this wig can be worn. And I should have used my tint spray before. You're going to see I use my tint spray way after, when I look at the edges and realize the edges need the edge of the lace need to be apply what I apply again, what you call that thing, makeup. Yeah, first I used the makeup looked like it was too light. So I was like, okay, let me use the tint spray. So I sprayed on the tint spray, and the tint spray make a whole mess. And then I was like, but this was a fail, guys. At the end, you will see that this was a fail. But guess what? I tried. Because I still have 2 more wigs that I'll be installing in these videos. So just look out and see if I'll get better at it. Okay, so here I have my Fit Me foundation, and you'll see me apply it as I said before. And when I started applying, I realized that it was too light. So I thought the tint spray, because as I said before in the other clip, I was using the tint spray, and the tint spray made a whole mess. But after finishing, I looked up how to use the tint spray, and they were saying that what I should do when applying the tint spray is apply it to the wig and then use a blow dryer to let it dry down, let it dry, and then now you apply the wig to your head. So that's where I went wrong with the tint spray, but I learned my lesson. I'm learning as I go along. So this is where the mess starts. So keep on watching, guys. So this is it. I am through. I think I'm going to try to do this a little better on my other wigs. So I have one more wig like this. The other one, the third one that I bought is a V part, so that's an easier one to install. But this is it, guys, and this is how it's looking. It's not the best. I tried though, and as you can see, the two edges, they did not hold down, because as I said before, there is not enough lace for it to hold on down. But that is it. I was kind of disappointed, and that's the finished look. Don't look good, but see there it's a nice hair. Bye guys.